Gabby Wellness Space. This is going to be a video of unboxing some of, I hope, some things that will stay with me for a long time. I've been an advocate for years now of healthy living inside out. And for about 2 years now, I started getting rid of all the plastics in my, actually more than 3 years, all the plastics in my home, trying to go for natural ingredients, natural materials, everything that just gets the plastic out, the toxins out, the forever chemicals out, the fragrances, perfumes, all these toxins that create havoc in our body. And it's a few months now that I've been trying to search and find the right products for cleaning the house as well. And the solution might come from the Netherlands brand named Kinfill. Now, what I got here is actually I haven't tried their products yet, but I've heard a lot of good things about them. And mainly I got these ones, and we'll open them together because they're made out of, the containers are made out of glass. So we are having a multi-surface cleaner, a glass and mirror cleaner, and a tub and tile cleaner, which for me are perfect because I don't want 100 products to clean my house. It's just give me something that I can use for a long time. So let's open them together, and then I'll show you an extra thing that I got. This is the tub and tile cleaner. Yeah. Oh, this is it's like opening an Apple product of the of the cleaning industry. I love it. This is how it comes. This is our, it says 100% biodegradable cleaning extract. So this is the solution that we're gonna dilute in water. So it's just one basic, very cool, very thick also, I love that, glass bottle. And hopefully this spray thingy that is made of plastic, we cannot get rid of all the plastic, but I'm trying. Right, so this is a lot stronger than the one that I had previously. Every bottle has a rim made out of rubber. This is going to help your bottle stay, firm on the ground or wherever you put it, so it's not gonna move around. So I love that. This is the next one. This is the glass and mirror cleaner. Again, one of those things that, and this is how it comes. The same thing. Beautiful. This one is tangerine glass and mirror cleaner. This is mint. So this is very cool. I love the fact that they have natural ingredients. So after I'm done, I'll see if I will repurchase these ones, their solutions, or I'll want to make my own. I really want to make my own. So this is the glass and mirror. I want to open them up as well to see how they smell, because I'm a big fan of really nice smells, natural ones. So hopefully I can recreate them with essential oils. This is what I wanted. That's my plan. Okay, that's my plan. Glass and mirror cleaner, and also it has a different color for the rubber, or what do you call it? And then the last one. The same thing. Oh, this would be so cool to even give us a gift. This is ambrette. Oh, I like that. Multi-surface cleaner, and it has a different color for the rubber as well. So let's do the whole three here. Oh, I love them. Oh my God, we're gonna make such good cleaning memories. This is how I know I'm turning 40 this year, because it's like everything for the house is like I must know everything. So these are them. They're beautiful. They're beautiful. Just want to open them up to see how they smell as well. Oh my God, this smells like gum. This is beautiful. Okay. I love this. So this is the mint one, or the menthe. Let me see. This is the tangerine one. Everything citrus, I love. Wow, this is a lot stronger. Okay. I go through quite a bit of solution when cleaning, especially the bath area every morning. Oh my god, this is beautiful, Ambret. I wish you could smell it, okay? But this is by far the Ambret is my favorite one. The fourth one that I got, this is a yoga mat cleaner. This already comes. There we go. This already comes with the solution inside, but again, it has the rim here, so it doesn't slip away, because you know I love my yoga mats and I need to keep them clean. And what I've observed in the past is that it really matters what you put on them, because you can stain them very easily. So yeah, this is the unboxing for the Kinfill. I'm in Romania, so I got them from a Romanian site, but if you're in Europe, I bet you can find them everywhere. I don't know about the US, but Amazon? I don't know. But give them a search. Anyhow, you don't have to buy them from Kinfill. If you can replace all your plastic with either aluminum or glass, it's already a very good decision. I got my bottles here. Let's start with the glass and mirror and fill it up. So you can actually see it, so it stays there. That was a brilliant idea with having the rubber on.
Let me see, which one was it? I love the fact that it's written here, so you don't mix them up. Right. Okay, so glass and mirror. So I will already remember it. That is the purple one. So this one is going to stay in the bathroom anyhow. So let's do this. I'm not supposed to spit it all in, but what the heck? Let's do it. Beautiful. I'm just going to need a little bit of more water there. Okay, let's put this one back on. And I love the fact that, as I said earlier.
Okay, so this is actually a cloth that is specially made for mirrors and glass. Okay, let me see. I love it. I just love it. I'm a Libra, so if you're a Libra and you understand that you need to be also what do you call it? Have it like a beautiful thing, but it also has to be very user-friendly, and then it has to be high quality, so you get me. Okay, let's spray. Maybe let's open it up. Yes. Oh yes. Ooh.
Okay, the smell is very subtle. So I'll get in here. Oh goodness. Let me see. Maybe I sprayed a little bit too much, but here we go. Okay. Let me see. What's your magic? I need a few more centimeters in height so I can reach that up there, but it's good. Right. I think it does a pretty good job.
Beautiful. Yep. And this is how you do it. I'm going to do the same thing with the multi-surface cleaner and then the tub and tile. And guess who's going to be doing some cleaning? Well, I hope you liked it, and I hope you give it a go. See you soon. Bye.